Equipping young minds and nurturing young hearts is what we are all about here at Kirk Day School. Hello, I'm Sue Pitzer, head of school, and I'd like to invite you to take a few minutes to check out our school. We think you'll like what you see. From our youngest wee Kirk threes right up through our oldest students in classrooms and concert halls, on the playground and in the athletic arena, everything our experienced and professional faculty and staff do here is purposefully designed to engage our students in the active exploration of God's world and to train them to think about every idea in the light of biblical truth. Whether you're actually here walking through our halls or you're taking a virtual tour on our website, you will see our gifted and passionate staff and a host of parent volunteers using up-to-date technology, working with children of all ages, unfolding the wonder of God's creation, and teaching them wisdom according to biblical truth. For over 20 years, Kirk Day School has been here on this little corner of West St. Louis County, turning out graduates who have proven the effectiveness of our program. Among our graduates, there are countless young people who have moved into their next years of education and then out into places of service who have demonstrated a passion and a skill for learning, exhibited the ability to think creatively and solve real-world problems, and who have evidenced a deep desire to serve and make a difference in this world. So please, come on in and take a look. See how God is using Kirk Day School to raise up the next generation of fruitful and effective young people who will serve Him as soldiers in His kingdom, using the gifts that He has given them that they actually began developing right here at Kirk Day School.